Want to build a sales pipeline and lead insights dashboard in under 2 minutes? This is what we're building. This is the data we're working with. Let's create it live. Starting from the homepage, we'll import our sales data by clicking Import Data and selecting our file. The data uploads instantly, and now we click Create Dashboard. Bricks AI immediately gets to work, analyzing our sales pipeline data to understand the relationships between leads, deals, and performance metrics. The AI is intelligently processing our lead sources, deal values, sales representatives, and industry data to create the most relevant visualizations. It's identifying patterns in our pipeline and determining which charts will provide the best insights for sales teams. And just like that, our sales pipeline and lead insights dashboard is complete with 7 dynamic charts and 2 summary tables showing everything from deal value trends to lead distribution by industry and sales rep performance. We can instantly customize the theme to match our brand. Now let's switch to presentation mode for that clean, distraction-free view perfect for client meetings and executive presentations. The full screen display makes every chart pop with crystal clear visibility. Back to edit mode, we can scroll through and interact with all our visualizations. Try Bricks today and transform how you work with data.